Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing only what matters, a modern editor and your HTML/CSS files. Open index. HTML, add the viewport meta and link styles. CSS so styles load immediately. Start mobile first, define base font sizes, set box sizing to border box, and write simple stacked layouts using Flex or Grid. Once done, create semantic structure, header, main, footer. This first actionable step lets you iterate quickly on small screens before scaling up to wider breakpoints. You now compose the core responsive system. Choose Flexbox for linear components and CSS Grid for complex two-dimensional areas. Use relative units, %, VW, rem, and clamp to keep typography and spacing fluid across viewports. Define logical breakpoints with min-width media queries and make containers adapt before the entire page shifts. Once components behave responsively, add utility classes for margins and responsive images using srcset and sizes. Make sure to test resizing and emulate common device widths. You complete the build by polishing accessibility, performance, and UX. Add semantic roles, ensure keyboard focus states, and verify contrast ratios so everyone can use the site. Optimize assets, convert images to modern formats, lazy load below-the-fold content, and defer non-critical scripts. Once deployed, run Lighthouse and manual device checks. If layouts break, isolate the component, disable parent styles, and inspect computed box sizes. This helps pinpoint specificity or overflow problems quickly so you can fix them with minimal changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.